This is Benjamin Craig, licensed acupuncturist and registered yoga teacher. I'm going to show you a few simple moves you can make, a few simple tricks to relieve lower back pain quickly at home all by yourself. A few of those tricks are stretches. Okay, so we got our very simple gym class stretch, light bend in the knees, and we come over and touch the toes. It's later in the day. People can go stretch further after a few hours of warming up throughout the day. If you are very tight, if you're having pain, you go down to where you feel the tightness. If you feel that you can't go past this place, this is a great spot to be. You can grab a wall, support yourself a little bit, maybe 2 chairs or tables, and get to that place where you feel a pull in your back, and that's where you're going to do all your healing. And just start opening that up. All right. Now a little further of stretch, we go into the cross-legged toe touch, and this will stretch out the outside of the back leg from the knee up the IT band into the hip and the glutes, the muscles of the butt. So we do a little inhale and we do a little exhale with a stretch. Come on down, and you'll feel that stretch out your entire IT band. You can also switch feet. Make sure you do everything both sides. Again, if you're only coming down to here and you're feeling the pull, that's good enough. Much tighter on this side, so I come down this far and I'm feeling the stretch. I'm not touching the ground. Another stretch we can do is called pigeon pose in yoga. Yoga asana, or the yoga poses, are breath work or inhales and exhales mixed with basic stretches. And so for pigeon pose, I'm going to show you the easy way to get into it. Come onto all fours, all right, and you extend one leg back a little bit, and you bring the other one forward, and we get into a nice stretch like so. And you want to slowly lower your belly onto your calf or your ankle. Now I can go all the way down, but if you feel the stretch right here, and that's great. That's where the healing is done, where you feel the stretch, where you feel about a 1 out of 10 on the pain scale. A little tiny bit of pain, or a little bit of discomfort, maybe more likely. And that's where you're doing your healing. And this will stretch your psoas muscle, your piriformis, your glute maximus, your glute minimus, all the muscles of the butt, which then go up into your lower back. And we'll do a nice stretch like so. You can also do let's tilt the camera so you can see me on the mat. This is called supine. Supine means on your back, on your spine, supine on your spine. Supine spinal twist. You hug in one leg and you twist all the way over. You twist till your lower back is turned at a 90 or even about a 120 degree angle, and then you keep your shoulders flat on the mat. I like to extend my opposite arm out, and my shoulders stay flat while my hips are turned. This is going to stretch out the lower back, and again, we want to be doing this on both sides. Do the twist, extend the opposite arm, keep your shoulders flat, keep your lower back turned at a 90 to 120 degree angle, and give yourself a nice stretch and breathe here. And instead of doing this quickly, you want to stretch and breathe for about a minute or so, just inhaling, exhaling, and slowly unlocking the muscles. Also, long-term pain, such as lower back pain, you want to use heat on the back. Nice low-grade heat. Maybe you have a heat blanket, heat pack. Ice is good to numb pain when it initially happens, but it will stop blood flow. So acupuncturists and people in the holistic, the Eastern medical field are big on using heat or liniments to get the back and other muscle pains opened up. So heat gets things flowing, right? We know when we make things cold enough, they stop moving. Ice, great example. So our bodies are made out of water. We want to get things flowing, relieving the pain by opening things up. And heat does that. So you want to use your heat, you want to do your stretches, and you want to use light movement. Okay, you keep moving. Don't stop moving when you have pain. Move very lightly. And if you have a spot that's particularly locked up in your body, move the muscles around it first. Put some heat on it. Get everything moving. Make sure you are properly hydrated. Make sure you're eating enough. Your iron levels aren't too low. Make sure your water levels aren't too low. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. Make sure maybe you got enough magnesium in your system, and make sure you take high quality supplements. All right, so that's in 5 minutes how to get rid of lower back pain real quick yourself. All right, good luck to you all. Have a great day.